Hello everyone, myself Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today topic is Introduction of Company Auditor. Agenda: Introduction of Company Auditor, Meaning of Company Auditor, Appointment of an Auditor, Reappointment of Retiring Auditor, Professional Qualities. Introduction of Company Auditor. A company auditor plays a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy, transparency, and compliance of a company's financial statements. Their objective assessment helps to maintain stakeholder confidence and supports the company's financial integrity. Meaning of Company Auditor. The Companies Act has not defined the term auditor, but one can define an auditor as a qualified chartered accountant appointed for the purpose of examining the accounts of a joint stock company and giving the report thereon to the shareholders every year at the annual general meeting. Appointment of an auditor. First auditor. The first auditor of a company is appointed by the board of directors within 1 month of the registration of the company. The auditor so appointed will hold office till the conclusion of the first annual general meeting of the company. Second one, subsequent auditor. Every subsequent auditor is appointed every year at every annual general meeting by the shareholders. The auditor so appointed may be the old or previous auditor or a new auditor. Further, such auditor will hold office till conclusion of the next annual general meeting. Next, appointment of auditor by the central government. If a subsequent auditor is not appointed by the shareholders at the annual general meeting, the company must bring it to the notice of the central government within 7 days of the conclusion of the annual general meeting. The company fails to give such a notice, the company and every officer of the company in default will be punishable with a fine, which may extended up to ₹500. On receiving the notice of non-appointment of a subsequent auditor at any annual general meeting, the central government may appoint an auditor to fill the vacancy. Next, appointment in case of casual vacancy. Any casual vacancy in the office of an auditor can be filled up by the board of directors. However, casual vacancy caused by the resignation of an auditor cannot be filled up by the board of directors. It can be filled up only by the shareholders at the general meeting. An auditor so appointed can hold the office till the conclusion of the next annual general meeting. Next, appointment by special resolution. The appointment or reappointment of an auditor shall be made by a special resolution in the case of a company in which not less than 25% of the subscribed capital is held, whether singly or in any combination with financial institutions or government company or the central government or any state government. Next, reappointment of retiring auditor. Retiring auditor can be reappointed in the AGM if he is qualified for reappointment. Second one, he is not given notice to the company in writing about his unwillingness to be reappointed. Third one, a notice or resolution has not been passed in the annual general meeting to appoint another person in the place of retiring auditor. Next, statutory qualification and professional qualities of an auditor. An auditor must possess certain professional qualities apart from professional qualification to perform his audit work efficiently. The statutory qualifications and professional qualities of an auditor are explained below. First, only chartered accountant is qualified to act as an auditor of the company. Second one, a firm can be appointed as the auditor of the company if all partners are practicing chartered accountant in India. Third, A person who holds a certificate under restricted auditor certificate rules is also qualified to act as an auditor of the company. Disqualification of an auditor. Certain persons are disqualified from being appointed as auditor of a company. They are a body corporate, second one an officer or employee of the company, third one a director or a member of a private company or partner of a firm who is the managing agent or the secretary and treasurer of the company. Next, a person who is indebted to the company for an amount exceeding rupees 1000 or a person who has given any guarantee to any third party regarding the payment of any debt exceeding rupees 1000 due to the company. Fifth one, a holder of shares exceeding 5% in nominal value of the subscribed capital of anybody of corporate who is the managing agents or secretary and treasurer of the company. In the context of disqualification, it may be noted that when an auditor becomes disqualified after his appointment on any of the above grounds, he is deemed to have vacated his office immediately after the disqualification. Professional qualities of an auditor. First one, he should have knowledge of principles and practice of general accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Second point, he should have knowledge of provisions relating to income tax, sales tax, wealth tax, etc. He should have knowledge of economics, business law, mathematics, statistics, business management, financial management, etc. Fourth one, he must have the ability to draft the report clearly, correctly, conscientiously and forcefully. Fifth one,